Ready to learn how to publish a hardcover journal to sell without using Amazon KDP? If you want to create and sell hardcover journals and you just want to do it quickly and easily, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in this video. Just copy me and follow along. And the reason why I'm showing you how to do it without Amazon KDP is that you can make more money. Just a quick side note, if you haven't watched my video, why I quit Amazon KDP, I explained to you how you actually make more money selling your books on your own platform instead of through KDP. So make sure you check out that video. But in this video, let's go ahead and make these journals. Step number 1 for how to publish a hardcover journal to sell without using Amazon KDP is to choose your niche. Choose your niche. Your niche refers to the problem that you solve as an author. And so even with hardcover journals, you want to make sure you are specifically targeting one problem so you can become branded as the expert at that solution. So I have my journal over here. This is the Write Journal. It's a hardcover journal. It's just a bullet journal on the inside, hardcover on the outside, and it's for writers to be able to flesh out their ideas for their books. I like to sell it to fiction authors. It's a bullet journal, so you can draw, you can color. It's really, really cool. But it's a specific niche that I'm targeting. You don't want to try to solve everybody's problem. In marketing, there's a saying, if you market to everybody, you'll sell to nobody. And it's because in order for you to sell your book, you have to speak to the pain point of the person whose problem you solve. So you want to make sure that your journal speaks to that pain point.
So to find your niche, go ahead and head over to Amazon.com and then go ahead and type in, well, at the top here, change this to books, and then go ahead and type in hardcover journal, hit enter. And then right over here, click sort by and select bestsellers. And you'll see your options. So we got the metal journal. It's a diary. So I could do a diary. This is school and office use, another diary. Classic notebook, hide and drink, journal cover for hard copy, moleskin, a blank journal for sketching and writing. So that's another niche. Notary book, we don't need to do that. Another sketchbook for kids. So that's another niche right there. So definitely just choose the one that works best for your brand. So I could easily do a sketchbook for authors to be able to sketch out their ideas for a book cover, So choose your niche by just using Amazon and sorting by bestsellers.
Step number 2 for how to publish a hardcover journal to sell without using Amazon KDP. Go ahead and design your journal using a specific template. If you have ever tried to self-publish a journal before and it looked like boo-boo, it's because you didn't use the template of your print-on-demand company. So what do I mean by that? Every single book that you print needs a template. I know. As authors, we're like, what? We don't just go into Canva and design it? No. You need the template first, and you design the journal according to the template. For my journal, I had a template. I just went to my print-on-demand company, found the template I needed for that size, and then designed my journal based on that size. That's how you get it to print correctly. Now, in this video, I'm going to demo to you Barnes & Noble Press because they have beautiful quality. I'm kind of obsessed with them. Their pricing is incredible, and they provide you the exact specs and dimensions you need to design with in order to properly print with them. But you can use any print-on-demand vendor that you want to. It doesn't really matter who you choose. Just make sure you find the template, the dimensions you need to design with first, and then you're going to design.
So in this video, I'm going to demo press.barnesandnoble.com. So very first step, go ahead and create a new book. We're doing print. So I'm doing a hardcover journal sketchbook for authors. Next, I'm going to put sell my book. Next, it's not a pre-order. And then we're going to choose our book size. So we want this to be hardcover. So we have to make sure we're choosing hardcover. I'll make my journal 100 pages. Page size, because it's for authors, I like the bigger ones. That's what I like to use. So I'll go 8.268 by 11.693. That's that oversized book. Black and white is my interior, and it's not letting me do hardcover with this size. So I got to change it. I don't have a choice. Let me try 8 by 10, black and white, hardcover. There we go. And then I'll do a gloss and the white 50-pound. So, wow, a 100-page hardcover book is $6.94. That's pretty incredible. All right, save and continue. So here is your template. So we need to make sure that the paper is 8 inches from here to here, but you see this red, we have to add 0.125. So the width of my paper needs to be 8.125. And then the height from here to here needs to be 10, but I need to also add 0.125 on top and 0.125 on the bottom. I'm gonna go over to Canva, click custom size, change the units to inches, and the width is 8.125. And then the height, which is 10 inches plus 0.125 plus 0.125, which is 10.25. So we'll go into Canva, 10.25, and then we create new design. And now we have the correct template to design with. Never guess. Never guess. So on the left, I'm going to go over to design and have templates selected. And I'm just going to select bullet journal. And you see how it has all this. There's a tracker, there's a template, there's a cover. I'm going to do bullet journal pages. And I'm on the free plan, but I actually recommend you have the paid Canva plan. It's way more options. But I'll just use one of the free options that they have. So I'm just going to select the template that I like, and I'll just use this one, whatever. It's free. I'm going to get rid of that. Ugh. And I am going to maybe stretch this all the way out because that's how I have my journal. Mine is stretched all the way out. And then once I have one page made, I'll just duplicate it. So I need 100 pages. So I'll do 20 and then just duplicate it 5 times. So copy, paste, 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 paste. Just need one more page, paste, excellent. And now I just need my front cover. So I'll go back, elements, sorry, not elements, design. And then I'm going to go back, bullet journal, and I'm going to put cover. And just grab something that I can use for free. But usually I use the, ooh, that is pretty. Yes, ma'am. Bullet journal for authors. Ah, gorgeous. So that's my bullet journal. That's it. Might copy this, put this all the way at the end, and that's it. So now I will rename this bullet journal for authors. And I just have to download this as a PDF print. So PDF print, and then download. Go ahead and go back into press.barnesandnoble.com, click skip to upload your file, click select from my computer, and grab that download. I'm actually going, I never usually order demos that I do, but I'm ordering this one because that's just really pretty and I just want to use it. Now we need to review our proof. So this is the inside, and then this will be that first page. This is on the back of that, and then just bullets this whole time. So I'll review, save and continue. Now we need to do our front cover. So go ahead and select upload full cover file, then click save. Right over here where it says, if you need a template, download our cover template. They have given you a template that's the exact size that they need. So use this. So go ahead and click that, download it to your computer, double click on the folder so it unzips, and then we're gonna upload it to Canva. In Canva, click over here where it says upload, add media, upload files, select the full cover template, click open. So go ahead and design your cover. So I went ahead and copy and pasted everything from here onto the template, and then just go ahead and click download, PDF print, flatten, and then download it. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and click skip to upload your file, select from my computer, and you're just going to upload that cover file you just made. And now I just need to check my proof. Beautiful. And I've reviewed, save and continue. Go ahead and fill out all the rest of the information. I'm not going to walk you through this because it's a bunch of questions, but it's pretty much self-explanatory, all the book details. Just let the one question I get a lot of is, should I let Barnes & Noble just assign me an ISBN number? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Because why pay money for it if they're going to give it to you for free? Once you've filled out all the information, go ahead and review, to make sure it's all correct, and then click submit for approval. Do not put it on sale until you have ordered a copy and you like how it looks, because we only get one chance at a first impression. I never recommend any author sell something they haven't seen before. So always order yourself a copy. And then once your book is available on the Barnes& Noble Press website, when somebody purchases through your website, you log into press.barnesandnoble.com, select the project, then you're going to order it. So for example, this just got approved yesterday. You're going to go ahead and click here. You're going to click order copy, and you're going to put in the customer's shipping address and name, and then you'll charge it to your business card. And hopefully on your website, you would have sold it for at least 3 times the price that Barnes& Noble is charging you.
And then step number 3 for how to publish a hardcover journal to sell without using Amazon KDP, list your journal for sale on your own website. The only way we make money without Amazon KDP is if we sell through our own platforms. A lot of people may think, oh my gosh, it's too difficult to build my own website. I can't do this. That's not true. It's never been an easier time to build a website, my girl. I've been doing this since 2009. Back then, you had to know HTML, JavaScript, CSS. You don't need any of that now. Now there are website builders that literally build for you with AI. Like, you can build your website in just a couple of minutes. You just need the right tool. So don't tell yourself that self-limiting belief, I can't build my website. It's not true. You can 100% build your own website to sell your books through. Now, here's where we have to do a little bit of extra work. If we are selling hardcover journals, right, that means that book needs to be printed and shipped to the customer. Our website does not link to our print-on-demand vendor. So when somebody purchases from our website, we have to log into the print-on-demand vendor and order that book to be printed and shipped to the customer. This is called the drop shipping method of being an author. I do it all the time.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your website very quickly using hostinger.com. I built this website in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Thank you so much to Hostinger for sponsoring today's video, and they were gracious enough to give me a discount code for you. So go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. On the page, go ahead and scroll down to the business website builder and then choose your plan. Any plan over 12 months gets you a free domain. And then right here where it says have a coupon code, go ahead and type in Godlywood Girl and hit apply. And my girl, you get 10% off. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Hostinger. So go ahead and click continue and finish setting up your site. So once you're there, select the Hostinger website builder, the AI builder. Enter your brand name. So I do notebook journals for authors. And my description, I create notebook journal sketchbooks for authors to use to brainstorm their book cover ideas. Very specific niche. Then make sure add online store to my site is selected, and then watch this. Click create a website. And just like that, we have a website. How gorgeous is this? So it looks really, really good. So I'm just going to hit continue. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click here, add your product. This is a print-on-demand product, so select physical product. Upload the front cover of your of your journal, because their AI builder is going to write you a description, which is pretty cool. Awesome. And then all we need to do is make sure that we add that this is print-on-demand. So please note this journal is printed on demand and will arrive within 9 to 11 business days. And that way people can make an informed decision when they're purchasing. Our price point needs to be whatever Barnes & Noble is charging us times 3, and that's it. Click save. Awesome. And now go ahead and select the other products that the AI generator gave you ideas for and hit delete. So now you should only have your hardcover journal right here. And once you're all done, go ahead and click on the top right, click edit website. And here we are. It's so cute. So with Hostinger, what you see is what you get. So you literally click on it and you just change it. So I'm going to turn off this logo. Here they've got different pages. I don't need this sketchbooks page. So on the left here, go to pages and navigation, and then you'll see your extra pages. If you need yours, keep yours. I just don't need mine. So I just always delete these. Awesome. And then let's go from the top. I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't need it. And I can change this color. Actually, I'm going to keep it the same. And then over here, inspire your creativity. You see the shop button. Go ahead and click on it. Click edit button where it says link to, select page and select your product. For images, for these sections, I like to have this as a video. So click edit section. And right here where it says video, click replace video. And look, you can search for free videos that Hostinger has for you. I'm gonna go with this one. Select item. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I do like to get rid of these overlays and I like to just edit text and just add a background. So I'll probably make this black and click here, select background color and make that white so you can really see it really, really well. Oh, that's really pretty. Like I said, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you just click on it and adjust it as you need to. I don't need this section, so I'm going to click it and hit delete. And they do have the shop here. Now, if you have multiple books, keep this. But if not, go ahead and just delete it and instead click add section and then select online store, select single product, and then click edit section, product, and choose your journal. It just looks better. Oh, this is so pretty. It just looks better when it's full screen like that. I just like it better. I'm going to get rid of this section. So I just have to click and delete. Once you have testimonials, obviously have your testimonial section because that is really, really important. And then back here, watch what's really, really, oh, so actually let me get rid of these first. And then I'm going to show you something really, really cool. I'm going to get rid of this stuff, get rid of this stuff, get rid of this stuff. And now back here, just click on the section, click edit section. You see where it says color, select that dropper and click here, pick a color. And guess what you can do? You can make it the color of your journal. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I love that part. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you see how quick that was? It's because Hostinger's AI builder. They make it so fast for you. They make it so fast for you. So once you're all done, just go ahead and click preview. And you can go ahead and scroll your website and make sure you like it. It's easy, it's simple. All glory to God. This is what you can do with an AI website builder like Hostinger. It's so awesome. And when you're all done, just hit go live. So if you want to get signed up on Hostinger, go to hostinger.com/godthewoodgirl. Use discount code godthewoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your site.
Now, if you want to actually write and self-publish your own faith-based books step-by-step, like nonfiction books, like prayer journals, like daily devotionals, like Bible study guides and workbooks and ebooks, I created something incredible for you called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, where I have step-by-step video tutorials that show you how to do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your book business, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll show you how to get started step by step. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com. And in the meantime, don't forget to watch this video to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author even faster. I can't wait to see you there.